Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting essentials ready. Unlock your iPhone and enable Siri, Bluetooth, and location services so CarPlay can authenticate. Use an Apple-certified Lightning cable for a stable connection, or verify the Class supports wireless CarPlay and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. In the car, turn the infotainment system on and select the phone/connectivity menu. Make sure the vehicle's software is up to date. Once done, plug in or select CarPlay from the menu. To begin pairing and watch for the phone, prompt to allow. Now you move into pairing and launching. If wired, plug into the USB port marked with a smartphone icon. If wireless, pair via Bluetooth and confirm the Wi-Fi handshake. You'll see a prompt on your iPhone to allow CarPlay. Tap Allow. In the Mercedes-Benz interface, select CarPlay or smartphone projection. You can drag app tiles or use the rotary controller to position frequently used apps. Make sure Siri audio routing is set to the car, so voice commands and navigation prompts come through the speakers. Finish by practicing common tasks. Ask Siri for navigation, dictate messages, and control audio with the steering wheel. These actions confirm CarPlay audio and mic routing. If it doesn't appear, first unplug and replug the cable, restart your phone and toggle CarPlay off and on in settings. Make sure both iOS and MBUX firmware are current. If problems persist, try a different Apple-certified cable or a hard reset of the infotainment. One key tip: test wireless pairing once wired works to isolate hardware versus wireless issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.